This is why you are broke. Do you know what you actually pay each month? Can you name every subscription you have right now? When did you last check your bank statement? How many free trials did you forget to cancel? Where does your money even go? Here is the truth. The average person loses around $2,900 yearly. That money disappears on forgotten subscriptions and unused services. Stuff you signed up for once and never used again. It adds up silently while you wonder why you're broke. Nobody warned you about the slow leak in your wallet. Life Admin fixes this problem completely. It tracks every single bill you have. Every subscription shows up in one clean list. You see exactly what leaves your account each month. It sends you reminders before anything renews. You catch the stuff you forgot existed. No more surprises when you check your bank. Now picture this. No paper scattered around your house. No pencil notes you lose in a drawer. No stress trying to remember what you owe. Just your phone with everything organized perfectly. It goes wherever you go. Make sure to subscribe now. Drop a like if this helped. Comment what subscription you always forget about. The app is completely free to download today. Search Life Admin in the App Store right now. Stop letting your money vanish without your permission. Take 5 minutes and finally get control of this. To do it,